Hello friends, this is Tajay. We are going on a journey to see how I graded this footage from this using DaVinci Resolve 18. This is not exactly the original. This is what you see after I brought the footage in to DaVinci Resolve. I filmed it using my iPhone Pro 13. Wait, do you say iPhone Pro? iPhone 13 Pro. Yes, that way. iPhone 13 Pro, it's in 4K, 24 frames per second. And I believe it's 8-bit and what else? 8-bit Rec 709 when you film it in the iPhone. So when I brought it to DaVinci Resolve, what I did is I clicked on the original footage here, and then I said generate proxy media. And the settings for my proxy media is, let's see. So you go to master settings, it's proxy media resolution original. So format is, I have the highest format. And yeah, here it is, save settings. So this is what it looks. Okay, let's go back. So this is the original ungraded, and let's say this is the graded footage. Then you can see here, so if you click here, you can see the two versions, graded and tutorial, because I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's create another version. So Command Y, if you click that, you get a new version. So now we have 3. Let's rename this graded. And then the newer version, which one? Version 3. Let's name this tutorial, because I'm going to show how I graded this. And you call it a tutorial, right? Okay, so let's switch between different versions. This is the graded and this is the tutorial. You can see here, so tutorial. Okay, let's close the clips. Let's unmute everything. Option D, okay. And the first node, it's balance. For balance, I use the curves. See, let's mute this and see how it looks without. So this is the original, okay. And balance is, so let's undo what I did here, right? I used the power curves. Here you can see it's too high. It's very close to 1023. I want to bring it a little bit lower. People usually use the waveform to do this basic balancing. I can bring this down and bring the shadows up, and then this looks flat, right? So we want to create a contrast. One way to do this is here, see? Bring the shadows down. I guess you call it something close to the mid-tones. Highlights up. You see the contrast coming up. Contrast. Okay, let's see before and after. Command D. You can see before and after. Command D mutes the node, color node. Command D, it brings it up. Okay. I want a little bit of color. So for that, I did color boost. I could use saturation too. So to do that, you go here, the color wheels, and color boost you see below. Color boost, color boost, color boost. Kind of, okay, let's unmute this color boost. Oh, let's do it from the beginning. Delete this. I create a new node. It's, what is it? Is it option S? Yes, option S creates a new node. Oh no, why? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, we'll figure out. Okay. So we have a new node. Let's label it color. Wait, it's not color B. Let's call it color B. And then let's increase the color boost. You see? See? Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let's undo it from here. Global undoing. No, this is global setting. Actually here. Hehehe. Okay. Color boost, increase, 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 increase. I guess this is enough. Or you can double click to undo here, okay? And then see how it looks if you just increase the saturation. Is it the same thing? Yeah. Just increases some things, only the buildings. Color boost. Okay. Color boost. And the next is, here is the magic. The buildings. So let's go to that version. Different colors for the building. What I did is I used power windows to select the buildings, the specific buildings. And each building has its own color node. You see, this is for, let's say, is it color purple? Let's call it purple building. And let's call it green building. I am using power nodes because I want to make changes to the buildings only and not affect the whole image. Okay, let's go to the one that we are working on, Command B to go to different versions, color boost. Let's start from the beginning. Let's delete this, delete this. Okay, we have this, create a new node, Command S, and then we are going to select this building. Let's make the image smaller. Da-da-da. Let's use, what do you call it? The curve. And then select this building. Okay, before we do that, let me show you what happens if we don't use the curves or select the specific element that you want to, what do you call it? Manipulate. Yes, the color, you manipulate the color. So here is the color warper. You click on it on the image and you go da-da-da, see? It affects the whole image. Ta-da, see? It affects the whole image. That's why we want to select that building specifically. So go back to the our windows, curves, ta-da. We make a selection. Maybe here, I don't want to affect the grass. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I think this is good. And close it. Okay, this is the moment. Let's see. Now we can select this building and then, yeah, choose the color you like. Any color that works for you. What did we go for? Something like this, purple. Is it purple? Magenta? Magenta? Is it magenta? Magenta, something like it. Yeah, that's what we went for. You see here, the change happening. You can click here too and then make the change, see? Different colors. Ta-da! Bluish, blue, yellowish, red, reddish, bluish, reddish, magenta. Magenta is that the word? Magenta is. Okay, here we go. Yep. Next, we want to change the color of this building. Okay, so we will select a parallel node. Option P. Kind of like same set of changes. That's why we need a parallel node. Okay, what do? We go to Power Windows, curve, and select that window. No, I mean select that building. Roughly. roughly. Ta-da! Here we go. Okay, we selected that building. If this video or footage was moving a lot, it would have been difficult to make to make the kind of changes that we are making, because the footage is moving and we would have to track that footage. Now we don't have to. You see this image, this is leaking, so we might have to come and adjust. The color here is leaking, so we might have to go back and adjust the power window. So okay, so we did this. Let's change the color. Go back to the color warper here, color warper, you see? In here, touch. Ooh, what color do you want? Ooh, hey, why is it making a lot? I don't want the change to happen too. It's also affecting the tree. Hey, it didn't happen in the... It's also affecting the tree. Wait, it didn't happen in the other one. How did I do it? I don't remember. Let's see. Where are you, power window? Yeah, I used the power window. Let's go back. Why are you doing this to me? Let's reset and start again. Okay. Yeah, now we are talking. Sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah. It's only affecting the building, I hope. It's also changing the color of the trees. You see? You see? So for now, that's okay. We can forget that. Color of the trees. I guess this is how we did it. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm happy. Let's see how it looks. Da, da, da. You can fine tune here, and so that you don't get the color leak. So maybe come back. See? Yep. Yep. Adjust the curve. C-U-R-V-E. Curve. Isn't how you pronounce it. Curve. 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 Looks good. Not bad. Okay. Let's rename this. Wait, is it magenta or purple? Magenta. The building. Green. Greenish. Was it green? Green. Hey, what did you do? Label. I don't know. Let's call it a green building. It's easy. Okay, looks good. Let's see. Command F to see, to view. How does it look? Okay, what else do we need to do? Oh, look, I created a look. It's Command D to reveal. Yay. Let's see. What did I do? For look, I kind of, hey, let's undo. I don't need that. Okay, for look, what I did is I increased the midtones a little bit. See? See? Midtones. Make it brighter and bring down, let's bring it in the middle. This is probably not a good idea to overblow the highlights. So let's bring this down a little bit. Gain is the highlights. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. I needed to... It looks saturated, oversaturated. I needed to do this because I was thinking of sharing it in Instagram. You know, in Instagram, it messes up your darling, your well-made videos. Something to do with Instagram. And then look, it's also not good. Let's take this up a little bit. This is the shadows. Let's see what color is. Greenish. greenish. Yeah, a lot of green here. So maybe we can, what do we do? Take out a little bit of green. Green, 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 green. Interesting. Before and after. Interesting. Maybe we can't, yeah, bring this up. But it doesn't look, it looks flat, right? So let's shadows down. Let's create some contrast. Okay, are we happy? Somewhat happy. Original, what I created. Oh, that looks better, right? And what we just created. What's wrong? This looks different, but that's okay. We know, we get the idea. This is color palette, the fancy things that you see here. Let's do it from the beginning. So I will option S to create a new node. I go to effects. Ooh, I don't see the node. Bring it here. Effects, color palette, paste it, paste here. And then you see all the colors that are in the video. Ta-da. See? Okay, I hope you enjoyed it and please subscribe. Thank you very much for your time.